What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Today, just a small little haul from Walmart. Picked up a couple items from Walmart for my wife. She wanted some mason jars, but I'm not going to do a video on that. Just picked up a couple movies. We'll do a quick movie, a movie video. I've been asked for that, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So picked up, like I said in the intro, picked up some mason jars my wife wanted for her garden stuff, and picked up a couple movies. Previous video right before this one also picked up 3 movies in that video too. So I picked up, I've been picking up just 4K movies. So this is the GhostBusters Afterlife movie. I haven't seen it. It's been out quite a bit, I think. Quite a while, not quite a bit. And I picked up the new Matrix movie. I've heard some really bad reviews about this movie. You guys may know Ed the Old Tech Guy. He's got a good channel. I'll leave a card up here for Ed the Old Tech Guy. I think if I remember correctly, he stated the movie sucked. There are some professional reviewers that review movies that have stated that the storyline wasn't bad. They could have done better. There has been people that stated that it'll never be as good as the original. I don't think any movie is as good as the original unless the original sucked. And then, any movie after that's pretty good, more than likely. But, most of the time, depending on who makes it. But there's been a lot of people that stated that the storyline was confusing, storyline kind of sucked, but the acting was pretty good, the CG was pretty good. A lot of people state that the CG in this version was way better than the original movies, but the acting and the storyline was better in the original movies than this one. So, I figured I'd watch it, and I like showing movies that I buy, more than less, because I like to see what you guys think. If you've seen these 2 movies, leave comments down below what you thought of the movies. I've heard lots of good things about the Ghostbusters. I don't know why I keep wanting to say Blockbuster. They haven't been around in ages. Picked up a bunch of other movies. Those movies were all just regular DVDs. They were in the $7.50 bin and the $5 bin. Those were just regular DVDs. Picked those up for my mom and her boyfriend. That's why they're not here. Mad Max, the newest Mad Max movie, Statham or Jason Statham collection of like 6 or 7 movies that had Crank 2, Transporter 1, 2, and 3. It had a couple of other of his famous movies as well. Also picked up canning jars, which is I'll take you into my wife's office and let you guys look at them real quick. I'll just show them to you. And there was a bunch of movies that had like Chappie. It was a collection of Jack Human, something like that. Wolverine's movies, whatever. I think is Jack something. I don't remember his actual name, but had a collection of those movies, a collection of Jason Statham's movies, and then there was a collection of other movies I don't remember. I only bought them to give them to them, but it was $150 is what I spent. I'm gonna take you down this direction. So here's the canning jars, the mason jars. So we got 2 of the quart size, and then 1 box of the half-gallon size. So there's 6 half-gallon jars in here. So basically 3 gallons in in this container. And then these are quarts, so there's 12 quarts, or 1 quart jars. And we got 2 of those, so there's 24 quarts of jars there. My wife put a bunch of the plants outside. These are basil seeds that we got to separate. Yeah, there you go. There's 2 containers here. There's this one, and then this one are all basil seeds of basil that we had grown, as well as this right here. This is all basil seeds too. She moved most of what was under the grow light outside. She's got her little containers with a bunch of seeds there and back in that corner, and these are things that she ordered. These are garden items that she ordered, so I don't know what they are. I didn't ask. She just told me they were garden items for the garden. So she'll probably be doing videos on all of this stuff. I just figured I'd show you. We picked up mason jars. Now they're called canning jars or stuff like that. But update on the shock. I ended up I put a Rancho boot on this Bilstein shock, 5100 series shock, but I couldn't get the boots, these bushings, not the boots, but I couldn't get the bushings from Bilstein. They're like 8 or 9 months out is what they told me. So I just ordered a energy suspension red polyurethane bushings. And what I did is I called Jegs. They were the only ones that were able to help me. I called Jegs and gave them the dimensions of the bushing, and they got me a bushing that is the correct size, other than the ID is 3/8, where these IDs are actually 3/4. So I'll just have to drill out the ID inner diameter a little bit, and then it'll work. I'll be getting those in a week and a half, which is a lot better than waiting 9 months, 7 months, 8, 9, 10, 12 months, you know, however long it ends up being. You know, could be back ordered, as an example. You know, you purchase something, like I've been waiting for the tail lights, the upgraded tail lights that I bought for Rose, the 2000 Limited. I bought tail lights for that truck in July of last year. Today is March 24th. It's a Thursday, 2022. So every month I get a notification it's still on back order, which doesn't make any sense to me. Either the Spider, because I bought Spider brake light housings, so either Spider's not getting their orders, they're stuck in customs, or it was never made and they just keep telling me it's back ordered. It's a little hard to believe, in my opinion. And the light died. But you know, you guys leave comments down below what you guys think of these movies. Figured I'd give you just guys a quick little update, you know, with what I bought my wife, the movies I picked up for us and the kids. And then, you know, a little bit of information about the shock that blew when I went into the Home Depot parking lot that I had posted pictures and stuff on. I do appreciate everybody stopping by and checking out the channel as always. Leave comments if you've seen these. What do you think of them? Do you like them? Did you hate them? What did you hate about them? What did you like about them? Was there any favorite scenes? You know, by the time you guys see this video, I probably will have already seen these movies and have developed a several-month opinion of my own. I do appreciate you all stopping by as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And one last thing before I go, I've been an affiliate for Acme Tools for over 10 years now. But I got some news that I did a live stream on. Just wanted to post it at the end of this video. If you guys go to that live stream, it's an 8-minute live stream that I talk about Acme Tools update. Acme Tools is now going to be sending me tools to do videos on, so that I can give you guys content. It helps me out to make the content, helps them out to get more exposure. So you guys leave what kind of tools you would like to see, and I will send a request over to Acme Tools for the tools that you guys, brands and types of tools, whether it's hand tools or power tools, whatever it is you like to see. If you've seen it on Acme Tools website and you know they carry it and you want to see me do videos, reviews, in-usage videos, demo videos, whatever it is you want to see me do it, let me know in comments on these videos or the live stream in particular that I did for that. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll contact Acme Tools and see if we can get those tools over here so I can do some videos for you guys. Appreciate you guys stopping by as always, and I will see you guys next time. Peace!